Hi, I'm Pam Burns, one of the partners of Proactive Tax and Accounting.
I'm Beth Davies, the other partner.
And we've got this application that we're going to go through. So Beth, let me just ask you, when and how was our business started?
Well, a number of years ago, Pam and I had our own offices, her in Hale and mine on Newberry Road. And just in passing one day, I asked Pam, if you're ever interested in merging, let me know. And so she did, probably 3 years ago. And we merged finally January of 2012. And the synergy that we've brought together has just been fantastic.
But what Beth has failed to tell you is that we were competitors. And we just knew that if we needed to knock out the competition, we just had to merge. So that's what we did.
Yep.
And it's been a very successful merge, which we're very happy about.
These ladies are awesome!
Okay, Pam, your turn. How has being a female-owned business affected the success of our business?
Well, I actually think it's given us a competitive advantage. There's a lot of men in our profession, but women, I think, we're more sensitive to the needs of the clients, perhaps. We communicate openly and very well with the clients. I think our customer service is outstanding. And I think a lot of that plays into the fact that we're a female business.
I believe so. I think over the years when I've worked with other firms, it hasn't been as open and communicative with clients as we usually are.
Yeah, and even though we're a female-owned business, we're not averse to hiring men. We do have
our token male.
Yeah, we do have one full-time male on staff. So
these ladies are the best in the business.
Okay, Beth, how does the business assist other female-owned businesses and or charities targeting a female audience?
Well, we don't specifically target female clients or organizations, but we do bring everything in a different light for organizations. We have services that especially appeal, I think, to women because we do education in a way that most firms don't. We offer classes from QuickBooks classes to business startups, things they need to know, tax deductions. We've even done a seminar on Obamacare, which we've turned into a book.
Right, we've just published a book, so we're really excited about. By the time we'll actually get our books next week. We've actually got it in the printers right now, but let me just add too, as far as targeting women, personally, I'm on the board of Peaceful Path, and I've been on the board for a number of years, but we do provide free education for abused women that go through the program, and we're also part of, well, Beth, why don't you tell them about the SEED?
We're the accounting resource for the SEED, which is Santa Fe SEED, and we offer our classes to the incubating companies for free. We offer classes at the SEED for those entities. And we're also on other boards. I'm on the board of Crime Stoppers in Alachua County, and
I'm on the YMCA nonprofit center. So
we're involved in many organizations that target women or families, and we feel that it's important to give back to the community.
Yeah, Beth and I are we're out front a lot. We're out in the community. We're out involved. We don't just sit behind a desk like a lot of stereotype CPAs do. So Beth and I are out there again giving back to the community. We're very believe strongly in that.
They teach you the facts so you can save on tax.
Woohoo!
Okay, Pam, describe our company's 3-year business plan and briefly explain the primary business strategy that is expected to support these projections.
Well, in a nutshell, year 1, 2, and 3, we're expecting between a 15 and 20% growth. That's our plan. We've got the staff in place, and we will add staff as we need to. But we're planning on expanding our offices in Gainesville. Matter of fact, we're located right now in our Gainesville office at the Gainesville Co-work. We have an office there, so we're planning on expanding that as well. But that's our intention, is we want to do at least a 15 to 20% increase in business And just with we're out in the public, we're working with clients, and I just think what we do. Help me out there, Beth.
We're expecting a more organic growth from referrals and the networking that we do in the community and the involvement in the organizations that we're in.
Yeah, I forgot what we were going to say.
So Beth, how does our organization benefit the local community?
Well, besides our classes for educating our clients and whoever is interested, basically, we do things a little differently. We have tax plans that we prepare for clients that we can actually, and we do track the tax savings that we recommend that they follow these procedures, and we track those tax savings. So we actually can show that we have added dollars to the local economy.
Just for example, last year, when we did taxes, we tracked everybody that, I'm sure we missed some people, so I'm sure the number is higher than this, but we've tracked a savings of $105,278 of strategies or things that we've come up differently that had we not been involved with the tax return or the amendments, the client would have lost. And if that's lost money out of their pocket, then that's lost income in the local economy. So by keeping this money here locally, they're able to shop local, and we've got a big push on everything local. So we kept last year. We kept $105,278 that we can identify. We kept that local,
and that involves all of the chamber members that we've worked with. We've helped with chamber events and helped grow other organizations, so we bring that involvement to the community as well.
Yes, absolutely.
Pam, what advice would you give other women entrepreneurs or women starting a business?
Well, there's a lot of things that one has to think about, but probably the first thing I would think about is, sign up at the local chamber. Gainesville has a lot of opportunities, a lot of resources. We've mentioned the Seed, there's the Innovation Gainesville. There's a lot of innovation in Gainesville. So I would definitely recommend communicating and hooking up with the Gainesville resources. And then in addition to that, seek out your local professionals, CPAs such as ourselves. Speak to vendors, whatever your business is, you really need to research it and just be thoroughly comfortable and knowledgeable with the direction you want to go in. But the more prepared you are going into it, I think the better success you'll have as you develop your business.
Well, and that means building the relationships with the vendors that you are using, your bankers, if you're your suppliers, if you're selling product, and you have to be able to ask the questions and admit that you don't know what you need to ask, and ask for advice from experienced entrepreneurs. You can't be intimidated by your lack of knowledge. Everyone starts at that same spot, and most professionals really are pleased to pass on information.
Yeah, you'd be surprised when you start, wanting to go out on your own. There's just so much available for you, and like we mentioned, the chamber networking's big. At the chamber, we were at the annual Toast to Gainesville Business this past year, and you'll see a picture of me dancing. I was doing what was I doing? The twist?
The twist.
We had a ball. It was so much fun. So, anyways, thanks a lot for considering us. We really appreciate it, and hope you vote for us. Thanks.
Vote for Proactive Tax and Accounting!